Best USB network adapters provide fast internet, stronger Wi-Fi signals, easy connectivity, and reliable performance for desktops and laptops. My today's video is about top 5 best USB network adapters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Green Wi-Fi adapter for desktop PC. This USB Wi-Fi 6 network adapter is a smart upgrade for desktops or laptops that need faster, more stable wireless connectivity without opening the case. With support for next-generation Wi-Fi 6 technology, it delivers speeds up to 600 megabits per second on 5 GHz and 287 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz, making streaming, gaming, video calls, and downloads feel smoother with lower latency. The dual-band design is especially useful because you can choose 5 GHz for speed or 2.4 GHz for wider coverage. One of its biggest advantages is the built-in driver support for Windows 10 and 11, allowing plug-and-play installation without searching online for software. That saves time and makes setup easy even for beginners. The receive and transmit feature adds extra value by letting a connected PC share internet access as a hotspot for other devices. Security is also well covered with WPA/WPA2 encryption support, helping protect your network connection. For best results, keep it within 30 feet of your router. Overall, it's a reliable, budget-friendly solution for boosting wireless performance instantly. Now our second product is BenFi USB 3.0 to Ethernet adapter. The BenFi USB AC to Ethernet adapter is an excellent solution for devices that lack a built-in network port. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to carry with laptops, tablets, or ultrabooks, while instantly adding a reliable RJ45 Ethernet connection for work or entertainment. It is especially useful for file transfers, video conferencing, gaming, and HD streaming where stable wired internet performs better than Wi-Fi. Performance is one of its strongest features, supporting true 10/100/1000 Mbps gigabit Ethernet speeds through the fast USB interface. Connections feel smoother, faster, and more dependable than many wireless networks. The built-in advanced IC chip improves stability and efficiency, while LED indicators help monitor link and activity status. Compatibility is another major advantage, working with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and Chrome OS without complicated setup. It also supports useful networking features like Wake on LAN and Auto MDIX. USB-powered operation means no external adapter is needed. Backed by an 18-month warranty, this adapter is dependable, practical, and great for everyday networking needs. Our third product is 9 Plus Wireless USB Wi-Fi Adapter. The 9 Plus AC1300 USB Wi-Fi adapter is a strong upgrade for desktops or laptops needing faster, more reliable wireless performance. With dual-band speeds up to 867 megabits per second on 5.8 GHz and 400 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz, it handles streaming, gaming, video meetings, and everyday browsing with far less buffering or lag. It's an affordable way to modernize an older PC without replacing internal hardware. Its standout feature is the pair of 5 dB high-gain antennas, which significantly improves signal reception and transmission. This makes a noticeable difference in rooms with weak coverage, helping maintain stable connections over longer distances. For users dealing with dead zones or inconsistent Wi-Fi, that added range is valuable. USB 3.0 support ensures fast data transfer and allows the adapter to perform at full AC 1300 capability, while remaining backward compatible with USB 2.0 ports. Setup is simple on many Windows 10-11 systems with plug-and-play support, and extra drivers are available when needed. Backed by 2-year support, it's a practical, dependable networking upgrade. Now number 4, Uni USB-C to Ethernet adapter. This USB-C to Gigabit Ethernet adapter is an excellent accessory for anyone who needs a faster and more dependable internet connection than Wi-Fi can always provide. It supports speeds up to 1 gigabit per second, making it ideal for large downloads, smooth video calls, cloud backups, gaming, and uninterrupted streaming. It is also backward compatible with 100 megabits per second and 10 megabits per second networks, so it works well in older setups too. The build quality stands out with a compact, travel-friendly design that feels premium and practical. Its braided nylon cable adds durability, while the aluminum casing helps with heat dissipation during long use. The non-slip connector design makes plugging and unplugging easier, and the slim shape avoids blocking nearby USB-C ports. Compatibility is another major strength, supporting a wide range of modern devices including MacBooks, iPads, USB-C laptops, Chromebooks, Samsung Galaxy phones, and iPhone 15-16 models. Plug-and-play convenience means quick setup without hassle. Backed by an 18-month warranty and responsive customer service, this adapter is a reliable everyday networking tool. And our last choice is TP-Link USB to Ethernet adapter. The TP-Link UE 300 Gigabit Ethernet adapter is a dependable solution for laptops or desktops that need a faster and more stable wired internet connection. It instantly converts a USB port into an RJ45 Ethernet port, making it ideal for users frustrated by weak or inconsistent Wi-Fi signals. For streaming, gaming, video conferencing, or large file transfers, the wired connection offers noticeably smoother and more reliable performance. Its biggest advantage is full gigabit speed support up to 10/100/1000 Mbps through USB 3.0, allowing you to maximize broadband performance with low latency and steady connectivity. It is also backward compatible with USB 2.0, adding flexibility for older devices. Setup is simple with plug-and-play support for many Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, and Linux systems, reducing installation hassle. The ultra-compact foldable design makes it easy to carry in a laptop bag or pocket, perfect for travel or office use. Broad device compatibility adds more value, while TP-Link's 24-month warranty and lifetime technical support make this adapter a trustworthy long-term networking accessory. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.